New benefits are coming for Singapore's public servants to support their health and well-being. Starting this October, eligible officers will get a new $500 FlexiGrow annual benefit. Now, come January, medical subsidies at private clinics will increase by up to $50 per visit, and that compares to the current $20 for all public officers. Dental subsidies will also increase by up to $250 per year from $120. Our minister in charge of the public service, Chun announced the enhancements at the opening of the annual Public Service Week. He says the division will also extend its retirement age to 64 years old and the re-employment age to 69 years old, 1 year ahead of the national schedule. And this will start in July next year to support older officers who wish to stay active. Mr. Chan says these initiatives not only support current officers, they also make the public service more attractive to work for.
The whole public service will do right by our officers for our officers. But I must say that all these hygiene factors alone will not make us an attractive value proposition that can attract the best and most committed people to come and join us. Instead, it must be anchored on our sense of mission, our values and our gumption that will inspire good people to come and join us in service of our nation and people.
One analyst says these will be of added value for the largest employer in the country. He hopes this will also set an example for the private sector.
I think this is an initiative that is well-placed and a great moral booster, I believe, for civil servants and anyone else who is aspiring to join the civil service. And of course, I hope employers also take the cue and begin to show such initiatives where employees' health and well-being are kind of placed upfront rather than business.
Well, the public service this evening handed out 100 awards to agencies and officers to celebrate the outstanding work they've done. These include their contributions towards innovation and team development. Nikhil Khattar reports.
An autonomous virtual racing game steered entirely by code. That was an initiative by the National Library Board and Amazon Web Services. The goal is to make learning artificial intelligence an enjoyable experience for the public. Their unique, innovative take on understanding AI bagged them the Public Services Star Partner Award.
This project really challenged us to think about how we could turn very complex ideas behind AI into something that was easy for everybody to understand. And what we really wanted to do was to create this opportunity in learning about this for many different profiles of all different ages and backgrounds.
Their year-long travelling exhibition drew over 37,000 visitors and sparked interest in learning about the emerging technology.
The potential for generative AI's applications for public good is immense. With the rise of culturally aware generative AI models, organizations will be able to develop new experiences that are personalized as well as locally relevant for citizens and their consumers.
Over at Lakeside Primary School, teacher Chan Kok Hong uses new technologies to teach. This is a virtual reality content creation platform to help Primary 5 students better visualize 3D figures during their mathematics session. The Exemplary Innovator Award winner says bringing joy to learning is important as is creating new learning experiences for students.
At the end of the day, we are putting our students at the center of everything. We design lessons, we create resources, we put in the time and effort for our students because that's what education is about. Yeah. So, of course, the payback, the reward is when you see the students enjoy the lessons.
Mr. Chan is also working with other teachers to apply the virtual reality concept to teach languages in school. For many of the 100 award recipients, the real reward, though, is in the impact their work has on the public.